salmon. So I'm going to do tin foil, double thickness. Some lemon and a bit of butter. We're going to make it into a sort of tin foil parcel, so that when it heats up, the steam from the butter is going to mix with the fish and make it cook a lot easier, and also flavour. Bit of lemon. So your fish pretty much looks like that. And then just sort of bring that bad boy in your coals. Vegetables, we're going to have broccoli, cauliflower and carrots chopped, already bought like that. You could do that from home and put it in a small zip tied bag and bring it with you so that you're actually prepared. Straight on the fire, just on the hot coals again. It's enough to bring it to the boil. Right. We're going to cook some lamb chops also. So while all that's cooking, you could quite easily set a grill if you bring one with you. I've got a handheld one here, which I use. It opens up, you can just put it across there, and you could use that as a whole grill. But for hand of use, it's quite good. Already you can hear the butter melting from the salmon. So I have the lamb chops in the handheld grill, which you know, you can spin them back and forward as much time as you want. It saves you picking them up and using a spatula and doing that, so they can go about there on the fire too. Potatoes. potatoes, just get it used up. So yeah, we can use this method of cooking pretty much all the time, all year round. We're all capable of lighting a fire and also cooking a meal on it. It's as simple as taking something from your cupboard at home and bringing it out and cooking it into the woods, but on a campfire. So there's no need to just use ration packs or stick to one type. You know, you can enjoy the normal foods that you have at home outside on the campfire. There's salmon. Oh, it's looking good. Not quite though. There we are. So I'll just bring you closer so you can see all these things. The vegetables, your lamb chops, salmon in the tin foil,